Alright, let's check out Solana against the US dollar and Bitcoin. So I'm going to keep this video pretty quick because I basically see two scenarios and obviously one of them playing out of the two. So let's jump right in. So to start with, you can see that we've got this fib here from low to high, and this is our macro 618. You can also see if I draw fib from high to low, you can see that this 618 and this 236 are pretty close to each other. So right now we're technically just below the 618, but to make it simple, let's just say we're sitting on the 618 right now making a decision. We've come up to the 236 and so far been rejected from the 236, which doesn't obviously look too good, but you know, every coin's got to start an uptrend from somewhere. So I see two things happening for Solana. Either we're backtesting this 618 here, and you know, backtesting this this support or resistance flip support line, and we're going to have a bounce something like this, or you know, maybe a retest of here before we go up. Let's mark that green for scenario 1, and scenario 2 would be that we have been rejected from this this 618 here, get rejected from this this trend line flip resistance, and then we would obviously be coming somewhere down to this abyss of hell to kind of backtest this this channel one more time before evidently having a big breakout for Solana. Now I really don't think that Solana's gonna, you know, come all the way down to this channel. Maybe I'm just slightly biased on it because I like the coin, but I'm just looking at this from a trading perspective. So I see one of these two scenarios playing out. I'll mark this one red for the downtrend scenario and this one green for the uptrend. But we really need to make a decision in this box here that I'll mark blue. So this area here in blue, we really need to make a decision, and I'm hoping that we break out bullish. So let's go over to the BTC pair. What's a bit worrying is on the BTC pair, we're just constantly having lower highs right now. This is obviously in the micro time frame, because if we do zoom out, you can still see that we are above our macro 618. Even if I do move it up to here, you can see that we're above the 6.8 and just below the 5, and we are above the 5 on this one as well. So I mean, in the macro term, Solana is bullish against Bitcoin, but it is slightly coming down. So you know, I wouldn't be surprised if we do something like this before running up again one more time against the Bitcoin pair. But right now we are making lower highs on this time frame. You can see that we've got a high here, high, and it's basically just dropping off each time we have a uptrend, or every time, you know, a few candles pass by. So on the Sol USD pair, there's a strong bit of volume coming in, selling volume, but obviously this could just be coming back to this candle here. The RSI looks like it's getting turned around in the midpoint here, which doesn't really look too good to me, which kind of does make me think that we're going to be back in this channel in the next few days or so. But like I said, you know, I don't want to make a decision for Solana. I think we're going to need to see what happens in this kind of area here. And I've highlighted in my other videos as well, obviously Solana is most likely going to follow Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's going to follow the stock market. And if we come over to the stock market needs to make a decision whether we're going up or down by around about the 11th or 12th of this month. So that's about 3 days time. So I think in the next couple of days we'll have a decision on what is going on with Solana. Until we kind of get above this 618, solidly bounce on it and then have a strong push up, I'm not 100% convinced that the downtrend for Solana is over. But yeah, we really need to see what happens in this area. So I'll give you an update once we've made a decision for Solana. Once again, none of this is financial advice, it's just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.